Have you ever felt overwhelmed by anxiety or struggled to get a good night's sleep? Today, we're exploring acupuncture points that can help. Acupuncture has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine. Research shows that it can significantly reduce anxiety levels. One key point is Shinmen, located on the ear. Studies have found that stimulating this point can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Another important point is Yin Tang, situated between the eyebrows. This point is known for calming the mind and improving sleep quality. So, whether you're dealing with anxiety or insomnia, acupuncture can offer relief. Understanding these points can empower you to explore natural healing options. We hope this video was informative. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the sleep department at Enticare if you have any questions.